excited?
If
Or
you're
too busy eating licorice. Yum, licorice. We got Dad and Dude.
We'll find you to be seen.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
So when we go to Disneyland, we have a whole bunch of little restaurants that we like to eat at when we're there, and one of them is Los Sanchez. It is down the street from Disneyland, down Harbor, and they have really good, inexpensive Mexican food, and you can see the mannequin back there named Mr. Sanchez. My kids love getting their picture taken with him. It's a really fun place. You guys enjoying your dinner?
Uh-huh.
What are you eating?
A burrito.
Burrito. What do you have?
Flour tortilla.
Flour tortilla.
Chicken.
So we made it to California. We are at our hotel, the Embassy Suites Anaheim Orange, and I'll give you a little tour of that later. But right now we're getting ready to go down and have our delicious cooked breakfast, which I'm pretty excited about. So I'll let you know how that goes. One of the perks of staying at Embassy Suites was that breakfast was included, and this was a made-to-order, cook-to-order breakfast, not just a continental breakfast, with an omelet station where they'll put anything you want in there, as well as this beverage station that has soft drinks, juices, milk, coffee, hot chocolate, and around the corner there were all kinds of pastries, muffins, things like that. And then across the way, if you didn't want to wait in the cook-to-order line, they had a warming station with eggs and bacon, hash browns. There's cereal, oatmeal, a whole bunch of wonderful breakfast options. We are down here. We just are finishing up our breakfast. This guy had a couple of pastries.
Heck yeah.
This guy is eating some French toast. And so is that guy. I had a delicious omelet, and so did my husband, but they're all gone. And it's all included with your stay here at Embassy Suites. Last night when we got here to California, I did a grocery order on the Walmart app, and I ordered a bunch of groceries for delivery, and we just got them. So let's take a look and see what we got. So using the Walmart grocery app is really easy. I do it at home all the time for grocery pickup. This is my first time doing delivery, and it worked out great. We happened to be down in the lobby, and the delivery man came in and walked up to our room with us, brought up all our groceries, and it was really easy to use. Something to note though is that they do in California charge 10 cents per bag for these plastic bags. They are reusable, but just something to be aware of. So we are in our California traffic right now. It's not a Disneyland day for us today. Today, can you guys tell them where we're going?
Newport Beach to ride bikes.
We are going to Newport Beach to maybe ride some bikes on the beach, and we are going to possibly swim depending on how warm it is there. But we're gonna have a good time there, right guys?
Yeah.
Who wants to go to the beach? Raise your hand. Dad's raising his hand too. Keep your hands on the wheel, Dad. Okay, let's have fun at the beach. Okay, we made it to the beach. We are at Newport Beach. There's the ocean right there. There are some palm trees behind us and the fun little restaurants and shops over there. And we are gonna go check out maybe renting some bikes.
Yeah.
One of our favorite things to do when we go on our trips to Southern California is to rent a bike and go for a bike ride up and down the beach. My kids have an absolute blast. To rent a bike, it's about $5 an hour per bike, so it cost us $25 and it was totally worth it. Who just rode all the way down the boardwalk by themselves? You did, so did you guys. But this guy did it. Good job, buddy.
And how old are you? 4.
Woohoo.
Wow.
Good job, big boy. What you building, little one? What are you building?
Sandcastle.
A sandcastle? How big is it going to be? Whoa, that's pretty big. And we got our almost teenager here resting. Oh, Derek. There was a bird that was trying to get you. Nothing? No reaction? Oh, he walked away. What are you going to do?
Go run past those waves and beat them.
Run past the waves? On your mark? Set,
No,
go.
no. I have to get way out there. There's a big waves coming. I run past it.
Are you okay with that, Dad? Okay. Congratulations, you're faster than the waves.
I win $1 million.
Seaside Donuts is a must stop for our family every time we go to California. It's been that way for the last 10 years. They are right on the boardwalk of Newport Beach, right by the parking lot. And we usually get apple fritters every time we go there, but we've recently branched out and started getting the cronuts, and they are so, so good. So you got a glazed donut, right? How is it? Thumbs up? And you got a giant cinnamon roll. How's that going?
I'm trying to do a thumbs up.
Trying to do a thumbs up. And you got sprinkles. How's the sprinkles? Excellent. Mom and Dad get cronuts. Yum. Burrito? Hey, don't, because you could be wet.
Little
You're gonna
burrito.
go on an elevator ride, little burrito.
Little burritos first in Anaheim.
Burritos have never been on an elevator before.
Little burrito.
Well, here we go up so high.